Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to send a message without typing in iOS 17 or so, you can quickly send an audio message using your voice. And here's how you can do that. For that, first of all, open up your message application. For that, you can go ahead and open up the First of all, you can go ahead and open the message application, select the conversation where you would like to send the audio, go ahead and tap on this plus icon, then select audio from here. And now you can go ahead and simply record your audio, and then the recording will begin immediately. Once the recording is done, tap on this icon, and then if it's okay with you, go ahead and tap on this arrow to send it. And if you would like to record another audio, go ahead, touch and hold this record audio, and just like that, it will begin recording. So that is simply how you can send audio message on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.